Hey Mudjackers, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 things you can start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the simple answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, a lot of business owners are just too busy running their company to see how the internet can truly benefit them. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they're not sure who the expert is. Well, I'm here to show you that I am the expert. I've found that by giving people an easy, free plan of things that they could do themselves to positively impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "Hey Craig, I like you. Please help me with this." So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you today and do it all yourself, that works for me too. So let me now show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. So this is your website. So I went ahead and I plugged it into a tool that I use called SEO Quake. As we can see, this is your URL. And I can see that you have almost 3,600 words. That's awesome. Homepage content, Google wants to see a minimum of 1,500 words. You're destroying that. And you're doing great, as well as the keywords. You have work, you have your name, Mudjackers, obviously, basement. The only thing I would say is you want to have some more of these that are going to be located for where you are going to work. For example, Wisconsin, Milwaukee, anywhere that you guys service, I would suggest putting some of those keywords in there, as well as what you want to be found for. So you have basement, you have Mudjacker, maybe you want to have foundation repair. Speaking of, so I typed into Google foundation repair Milwaukee, and your number 1 competitor in that area is McCoy Contractors, as we can see here. Now I ran them in SEO Quake as well, and they have way less words than you with only 1,200, so they're not even hitting the minimum. But they do have some pretty decent keywords, which is helping them: foundation, repair, basement, cracks. I think I saw Milwaukee in here, Milwaukee Foundation Repair. So these are the things that they're being found for that reason. So that's just one area you could benefit by increasing your content. Now the second thing I want to talk about is citations. So going back to this Google search, this is the Google Map Pack. And one of the ways to get to the top of this, besides reviews and all of that, is going to be citations, the easiest way. Now we can see the accurate basement repair, the number 1, only has 56 citations. So what's that mean? Well, they simply have put their NAPs, or name, address, phone number, in directories, 56 of them roughly. And that's going to be your Yext, BBB, Yellow Pages, White Pages. So by simply just putting your NAPs in those sites can benefit you extremely and get you to the top of that. I always do with my clients about 200 of those, just to make sure that they clear their competition by a landslide. Now the third thing I'm going to talk about is most important, and it's going to go back to how we get you right here at the number 1 spot, and that's going to be backlinks. So I pulled your website here in a tool called Ahrefs, and I can see that you have 189 backlinks with 44 domains, driving at around 28 clicks a month. Now the reason that this is so important is because it's kind of like the way Google sees how much authority your website has and where to put you in their ranking. The reason being is they look at link juice, which is what backlinks provide. Simply put, it works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's basically a popularity contest. But this isn't just a quantity thing. It's also a quality thing. You want to make sure that these backlinks are high quality and they're coming from sources related to your business. So, for example, mudjacking, basement repair, foundation repair, things like that, not Pizza Hut. So let's go back and look at your competition in Ahrefs. We can see they have 1.4 thousand backlinks with 185 referring domains, and they're driving in 409 clicks a month. So as you can see, it's a big difference. Ultimately, it pays to invest into the SEO because it's going to drive in those customers. Now, in conclusion, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed content, how you want to have 1,500 words, which you're already killing, but maybe making that content a little more related to what you want to be found for. Secondly, we discussed the importance of citations to getting you in the top of that map pack, and how you should have about 200 to 300 to just crush your competition. Lastly, we discussed backlinks, and how you need more sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies, you'll be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can take this information I provide you today and do it all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.